Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Honda VTX1300R. This is the beautiful metallic blue version with the disc aluminum wheels, liquid cooled shaft drive. Only 5,900 miles on this gorgeous VTX. The slash cut pipes. It's got some tall handlebars, really cool mirrors. Come on by, make your mid-weight V-Twin cruiser dreams come true for just $59.99. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.